Hello, welcome to Stafford Land Rover, and today I'm going to show you around this stunning brand new Range Rover Sport HST in Hakuba Silver. You have a carbon fibre trim finisher, black contrasting roof and privacy glass, 21-inch gloss black alloys, a powered tailgate with plenty of space there for your personal items including golf clubs and pushchairs, and you can also fold the back seats down if you need more room. You can shut the boot using the button there or the one on your keys, which is great if you ever have your hands full. Carrying on round the car, you also have keyless entry, meaning if I lock the car I can open it just by pulling the handle as long as the key is near me, which again is useful if the key is not in your hand. Illuminated Range Rover script tread plates and a gorgeous two-tone leather interior. You also have a suede steering wheel along with a gear stick which has a luxury feel. A sliding panoramic roof, which is great for letting in more light and also really nice on a sunny day like today. And you close it using the same button. And you can also pull a sunblind across. 10-inch touchscreen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Eco data, meaning it tells you how well the car's been driven, for example if you're braking too hard. You also have valet mode, which means you can lock the screen so that a valeter can only access your climate control. Sorry, the light is just reflecting with the screen there, there's not a problem with the screen. You also have controls on your wheel, a speed limiter, lane departure warning and blind spot monitor, making driving along the motorway safer and easier. You also have a heated steering wheel along with heated front seats. And you do also have heated seats in the back, which is a luxury for all passengers. The front seats are also memory, which is handy if there's several people in and out of the car, and a Meridian sound system, which just makes each journey that little bit more enjoyable. This is a brand new car, as I say, so it's got no miles on it. And you also have various different driving modes, depending on where you're driving or the weather. Grass, gravel and snow, mud ruts or sand, and you can also see that on your dash in front of you. Stepping back outside the car, that was a gorgeous Range Rover Sport. If you're interested in this car, please call 01785 211 31. Thank you.